Here we have a sad math question on parabola. Okay, let's go over the question. A parabola represents a graph of the function f in the xy plane where y equals to f of x. If the vertex of the parabola is 5, negative 4 and one of the x-intercepts is negative 1.5, 0, what is the other x-intercept? Okay, first let me plot the given vertex 5, negative 4 and the one of the x-intercepts negative 1.5, 0. Here we have an xy plane and so now we have to plot the vertex 5, negative 4, that is x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is negative 4. So the vertex must be here 5, negative 4. Okay, so one of the x-intercepts is given that is negative 1.5, 0. So it's over here. So negative 1.5, 0. Okay, here now let's get the graph of the parabola. So okay, here one of the x-intercepts is here negative 1.5, 0. Then the other x-intercept must be on the right side of the vertex. So we have two x-intercepts for the parabola. So if we have one of the x-intercepts on the left side of the vertex, the other x-intercept must be on the right side. It should be somewhere else here. Okay, so from the given information, clearly the parabola opens up. So our parabola may look like this. Okay, now I have sketched the graph of the parabola. So here we have the given x-intercept negative 1.5, 0. Then the other x-intercept is over here. Okay, since this is the x-intercept, always the y coordinate at the x-intercept must be 0. So what must be the x coordinate? That's what we have to find. We can assume the x coordinate this x-intercept as a. So now we have to find the value of a, which represents the x coordinate in the other x-intercept. Okay, so here usually in parabola, so whenever I find the average of the two x coordinates at the x-intercepts, it must be equal to the x coordinate at the vertex. Here the x coordinate at the first x-intercept, that is the given x-intercept, it's negative 1.5. The x coordinate of the other x-intercept is assumed by us as a. So now I'm going to find the average of these two x coordinates, these two x-intercepts. So it must be equal to the x coordinate of the vertex, that is 5. Okay, now let me find the average of the two x coordinates at the x-intercepts, that is negative 1.5 positive a and divide by 2. So this is the average of the x coordinates at the two x-intercepts. It must be equal to the x coordinate of the vertex, which is 5. Okay, now we have to solve for a in this equation. So for that, I multiply both sides by 2. When I multiply both sides by 2, this 2 will cancel out. I get negative 1.5 positive a equals to 10. To solve for a, I'm going to add 1.5 to both sides. When I add 1.5 to both sides, this negative 1.5 positive 1.5 will cancel out. I get a equals to 10 positive 1.5 will become 11.5. So now I got the x coordinate of the other x-intercept a, 0, that is 11.5. So now in this the second x-intercept, we can replace the x coordinate a by 11.5 and the y coordinate is 0. Okay, so the other x-intercept is 11.5, 0. So we find this x-intercept in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.